Nityanandam. My name is Lopamudra. I'm a Balasant of Nityananda Gurukul. And I get to witness this whole Akashic reading every day. And once all the Balasants of Nityananda Gurukul, we all even had an opportunity to go ask about the past life of all of us. And each one of us had different readings. Actually, this whole Akashic readings itself is not just what is going to happen in your future, or not just what has happened just in this life. The past is inclusive of whatever has happened in your past lives also. So we all got an opportunity to go and ask in the Akashic readings of what kind of past lives that we all had. And when I asked about my past life, I got to know that past 3 lives I was living with Swamiji, and in one of the life I was living with Meenakshi herself. And there are still physical witnesses of what all I have went through, the experiences that I had. There are physical witness that I was there in that past life. Like when I had my Akashic reading read, that time Kalabhira told me that I was with Meenakshi in my last birth, where I was serving for her. And once while I was sitting in a very personal, intimate moment with her, she gave me a boon. And once she gave me the boon was so powerful that tears rolled out of my eyes, and it touched Meenakshi's feet. And once they touched Meenakshi's feet, they bloomed into 3 lotuses. And those 3 lotuses, in that birth itself, I took it and kept it in that Madurai Garbha Mandir. So when it was kept there, until the time Meenakshi left her body, it was there fresh as it was kept, like as if it was kept now only. Throughout the whole time, it was fresh. And after she left her body, it turned into a stone. Even now, if you go into that Garbha Mandir, if you go inside and see, right below Meenakshi's deity, there are those 3 lotuses, which I had kept in my last birth. This is just one small revelation that I had about my my previous birth. And that brought such powerfulness in me. Like, I came to know I was really living with Meenakshi, serving her, and even so many different mystical things have happened, which is still there. The physical witness is still there. Not just me, there are so many people. One Balasant had the Akashic reading where her whole deity is carved and kept in the Meenakshi temple. Even today, if you go to the Meenakshi temple, you'll be able to see it. And like there's so many Balasants were serving Meenakshi, and so many people were there, like as protecting Meenakshi, being in the war field with her. And the people who are having like birthmarks even now, which they had in their past birth, even now in this birth they're carrying that same birthmark. Which the people, actually when the Balasants reveal all these Akashic readings, they don't know about us, they don't know so many things about us. Who know what lotus is there in the Madurai Garbha Mandir? Even the priest there, only if they carefully notice, they'll see, because they're down a small 3 lotuses. And when the Akashic reading was revealed, it was told exactly that these 3 lotuses were there. So like this, each one of us had so many different past experiences revealed to us. And there are so many people where, like one Balasant, just by doing yoga, she built temples. So like this, and because of that, that same power is there even now, that even now she's so flexible. Any asana you give her, she'll be able to immediately do it. So like this, so many things are waiting. Like if you get to hear your past life, you will know how many mystical experiences that you're having, and how many different things are there which is locked within yourself. So this is just one aspect that I wanted to share about Akashic reading. Thank you, Nityananda.